Modern helicopters are some of the most useful machines in the world and have just about every advanced feature you could imagine. However, technology has thrown us quickly into the future, and the latest helicopters are futuristic war machines that will blow your mind. There are advanced programs for existing helicopters, and there are some incredibly amazing concepts being designed that are unreal. If you love helicopters, then check out these insane military helicopters and concepts. Sikorsky's S-97 Raider. Said to be the next big thing in Army aviation, the S-97 Raider is a next-generation light tactical prototype helicopter. It is being developed to demonstrate the company's X2 technology. It can reach speeds up to 275 miles per hour, which is nearly double the speed of a conventional helicopter, and can also operate at 10,000 feet in high 95-degree Fahrenheit heat, allowing it to fly in extreme locations. This high-speed scout and attack compound helicopter is based on the advancing blade concept, which consists of two rigid counter-rotating rotors 30 inches apart, making use of aerodynamic lift of the advancing blades. The Raider has a 7-foot diameter pusher-type clutched propeller at the rear, which looks surprisingly a lot like the tail of a modern submarine. However, one striking feature of this is that the rear propeller is not required for stabilization and can be disengaged to minimize acoustic noise. The helicopter will also include many onboard defensive features with 360-degree sensor coverage for better situational awareness, and is small enough to land in urban settings that would be too small for other aircraft. But it also packs a big punch and can carry Hellfire missiles, 2.75-inch rockets, and it will be armed with a 50 caliber and 7.62 millimeter gun. Each S-97 Raider has a price tag of $15 million. T-129 Attack. A big surprise in attack helicopters, the TAI Augusta-Westland T-129 Attack is a twin-engine, tandem-seat, all-weather multi-role attack helicopter based on the Augusta A129 Mangusta platform and was developed by Turkish Aerospace Industries and Augusta-Westland. The T-129 features an aluminum alloy frame fitted to a 5-bladed main rotor along with a 2-bladed tail rotor. Stealth features and significant weapon systems allow this attack helicopter to operate in complex battlefield environments and confined areas. It is capable of operating in day or night conditions and is equipped with a laser rangefinder and has a designator night vision using a helmet-mounted display system. This helicopter has 4 hardpoints and can carry 2,645 pounds of weapons. Stub-wing pylons can carry anti-tank missiles, ATGM, air-air missiles, ATAM, 2.75-inch rockets, and same-size guided rockets, and no one wants to come face-to-face with its 20mm turret 3-barrel gun system, which is fitted in the nose turret. It can also be outfitted with 12.7mm gun pods. It's equipped with all the active and passive defensive aids, such as countermeasure dispensing system, missile warning, laser warning system, radio frequency jammer, radar warning receiver, and infrared countermeasures. The T-129 is powered by 2 LH-Tech T800 4A turboshaft engines with a power output of 1,380 horsepower each, which give the helicopter a 170-mile-per-hour cruise speed. Currently, there is a Turkish Armed Forces $3 billion contract with Augusta-Westland for 51 and 41 optional A129 Mangusta helicopters to be assembled as the T-129 by TAI. Apache AH-64E version 6. The U.S. Army recently released its Apache AH-64E attack helicopter upgrade plans for a new version 6, which makes this already incredibly advanced and dangerous attack helicopter even more lethal. Some of these upgrades include doubling of fire control radar from 8 to 10 miles, maritime threat detection, and targeting by fire control radar. But probably one of the biggest upgrades is the Manned-Unmanned Teaming Extended (MUMTX), which enables the Apaches to interoperate with a wide range of unmanned aircraft systems (UAS). As if the attack helicopter wasn't dangerous enough on its own, this means that Apaches can directly control nearby Army RQ-7 Shadow and the improved MQ-1C Gray Eagle drones. Pilots can bring up a drone feed, look through the sensors, and see the target they are going to attack up to 50 to 60 miles away. Also, one helicopter is the advanced AGM-11-4R Hellfire Romeo air-to-surface missile, along with a more powerful T-700GE-701D engine. The AH-64E Block 3A has a flyaway cost of $24.77 million each. Bell V-280 Valor. The Valor is a third-generation tilt-rotor vertical lift helicopter being developed by the US-based Bell Helicopter Textron. It is designed to perform multiple missions such as attack and transport with enhanced speed, maximum reach, and greater payloads, and has a V-tail configuration, with the fuselage having a composite construction, and the wings are made of large cell-carbon core. It's designed to carry 4 crew members and 11 troops. It has 2 large side doors for those troops to get in or out of the helicopter quickly. The V-280 is equipped with a triple redundant fly-by-wire flight control system for precision handling and safety. The power plant of the Valor includes 2 turboshaft engines coupled to 3-bladed tilt-rotor and drive units. The interesting thing is that the engines are placed at the tip of the helicopter's wings, and if it loses one of those engines, it can continue to operate on one engine. The Valor can achieve a top speed of 322 miles per hour true airspeed. King Stallion. This is an ultra-powerful helicopter that can carry 3 times more weight than its predecessor, the CH-53E Super Stallion. But it's not just super strong. This new cutting-edge helicopter is so incredibly advanced that it can almost fly itself. This helicopter is made to do one thing: get troops and equipment rapidly from a ship to join the fight in a war zone. It is armed with world-class self-defense weapons and has advanced lightweight armor-enhanced ballistic protection. Everything on the helicopter is made to be crash-worthy, including the troop seats and landing gear, in case the helicopter needs to make an emergency landing. The King Stallion is powerful enough to carry Humvees and can carry an external load of 27,000 pounds over 110 nautical miles, with a cruise speed of 162 miles per hour. The U.S. Department of Defense currently plans to provide the Marine Corps with 200 of these powerful new helicopters, with each one costing $87.1 million. Japan's Kawasaki OH-1. Nicknamed Ninja, this military attack helicopter was developed and manufactured by Kawasaki Aerospace Company and can be armed with various munitions to directly participate in combat, including anti-tank missiles and air-to-air missiles for self-defense. It's a tandem-seat, twin-engine scout helicopter and is equipped with an automatic pilot system with flight-holding functionality. The Ninja is powered by 2 Mitsubishi TS1 turboshaft engines, equipped with full authority digital engine controls, FADEC, which drives a 4-blade composite main rotor with a bearingless rotor hub, along with an enclosed Fenstron-type anti-torque tail fan unit, which gives the helicopter a maximum speed of 173 miles per hour. It has a roof-mounted electro-optical sensor turret that contains a forward-looking infrared sensor, laser rangefinder, and color TV camera. It has 4 hardpoints that can carry bombs or missiles, and outer pylons can carry Type 91 guided surface-to-air missiles. Sikorsky Boeing SB-1 Defiant. Part of the United States Army's Future Vertical Lift program, Sikorsky and Boeing have built the SB-1 Defiant, a compound helicopter which has 2 rigid coaxial rotors that are powered by 2 Honeywell T-55 engines. What looks just like a larger version of the Raider, the helicopter has a pusher propeller in the rear of the tail that helps the Defiant reach speeds of 290 miles per hour. Compared to conventional helicopters, the counter-rotating coaxial main rotors and pusher propeller not only offer increased speed and a 60% combat radius extension, but it also has 50% better performance in high-hot hover performance. This helicopter is still under development and many other features are classified, as it took its first flight on March 21, 2019. MIL Mi-24 Hind. The Mi-24 is one of the most widely known attack helicopter gunships in the world and has been called by many a flying tank. It's so good that through the years it's simply been upgraded. In fact, there are many Russian and Czechoslovakian companies that offer upgrades, since there are 50 air forces around the world operating different variants of this gunship. And the latest MIL Mi-24 hand attack helicopter could be one of the best helicopters in the world, equipped with a new Doppler radar, GPS-assisted navigation, Carl Zeiss Optronics Argos 410Z airborne observation turret, a dual-feed hydraulically driven Vector F2 chain turret with a 20mm Guyot cannon and armed with anti-tank guided missiles. The modern version has a maximum speed of 200 miles per hour. Despite being a heavily armed machine, the Hind can also unload a small number of troops and then take off and offer air support to those troops. Tomov Ka-52. Also nicknamed the Alligator, is a twin-seat Russian attack helicopter that has a coaxial rotor system driven by two VK2500 turboshaft engines. The Tomov is used as a heavily armed scout helicopter and is the world's first operational helicopter that features a pilot rescue ejection system. The Alligator was designed to destroy tanks and other armored ground targets. It can operate in any weather around the clock. It is equipped with the latest in avionics and is armed with powerful offensive weapons. It is equipped with a 30mm 2A421 aircraft gun and can also carry the Strelitz missile system. It can launch guided missiles such as the Attica and Vickers-1 and S-8 unguided missiles. Each unit costs around $16 million to produce. Bell AH-1Z Viper. It's been called the world's most advanced attack helicopter. The Bell AH-1Z is the modern version of the AH-1 Cobra. It has the most advanced aircraft and weapons survivability equipment in the world. It is the only attack helicopter in the world to have a fully integrated air-to-air missile capability. And it comes armed to the teeth with a 20mm 3-barrel cannon with 750 rounds of ammo on tap. It can carry AGM-114A, B, C anti-tank missiles, AGM-114F anti-ship missiles, AIM-9 air-to-air missiles, and pods with 70mm unguided rockets. It can be equipped with a variety of Sidewinder air-to-air missiles and carry 16 Hellfire missiles. The United States Marines currently ordered 29 of these at a cost of $510 million. We hope you enjoyed this video. Which one of these do you think is the best? Let us know in the comments. And if you liked the video, be sure to click the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you will be the first to know when a new video arrives. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.